Hi everyone. We today we have a very big boy, and the name of the big boy is Arm of Club de Nuit Intense Man. This perfume has a very good popularity for its closeness of smell with a very expensive perfume which is called Creed Aventis. And I have also tasted the Creed Aventis, and it seems pretty close. You cannot differentiate almost if I don't tell you which one is what. So this is the king of cologne, people say that, and I have also used it several times. I had a 2 or 3 200 ml bottle before. Now I'm collecting this one again, and this perfume is branding the brand arm of itself. So here we unpack this one. This is a 200 ml bottle, and the price is not too much. You can check if you compare it with a Creed Aventis, then this is nothing for a 200 ml bottle. Still, it can may cost you. Let me convert the currency, because I have bought it in Denmark, and it had cost me maybe 480 Danish krone, and you can convert. So I am not going further to convert the currency now. So what in the package? There is a hologram from Armov, and packet looks very nice. This is the perfume 200 ml bottle, and here are some other perfume of the same family, like their advertising of their other perfumes. So let's get in the bottle now. Here we are. This is the bottle. Maybe you have seen it several times. This is very popular. And if we go for the smell, you can see this is not magnetic, but it grips somehow. So you can see this is the box, and this is the perfume. It has let me spray first, then I can share with you how does it smell. Yeah. Oh man. I love it. I seriously love this perfume. This is very good. Club de Nuit Intense Man. It has very citrusy opening, then fruity flavor. You can smell leather. You can smell wood. Sweet, fresh, musky perfume if you are looking for. I'm not like you. I'm talking like Armaf is paying me to talk about this one, but no man. When you have good quality product, the customer are your brand ambassador, automatic brand ambassador. They are your campaigner, and okay, I'm okay with this one. It has a very nice position. It has a very nice longevity also, and smells like a very expensive perfume. So here it is. Very good. If you go to Fragrantica, you can find that this perfume has rating of 4.14 out of 5 in 18,000 baht. When you judge it from the price point, then this is, we are getting 5 out of 5. Thank you. Have a good day everybody.